So we've got a special visitor here today. It's something old and something new. Chris has got his Datsun 120Y here, and we thought it'd be cool to park them beside each other and just see the difference in over the years that Nissan have made to their cars. And like, don't get me wrong, this is a testament to Chris, the owner, and to Datsun themselves. This is a magical car. It's pretty awesome. It's incredible to see that they've gone from these sort of motors and then across to this motor, like in such a short time. There's not that many years between these cars as what you'd think, between the GTR and the 120Y. It's pretty cool. So Chris is actually building his car this year to enter it into Rocky Nats. He's getting it all ready for that. It's going to be pretty cool to see it there, guys. Make sure you come and say hello to Chris when he is there. He'd love to talk to you. He loves to talk about his cars. We took Chris for a drive in the GTR, and he held on pretty tight, but he had a smile from ear to ear, and I think he's going to be pretty well onto his wife to buy one. But like, I love his original car. I'd love to have one of these in my collection. It's just awesome to see. You don't see them in this sort of condition. You don't see them like restored like this. It's awesome.
Yep. But pretty happy with that.
Yep, cool.
Camber, I'm pretty stoked.
There's some lights I want to go through and put on under the bonnet. I'm not putting neons on the car to have that glow. I'm putting them on so when we do go to car shows in the night time, we can turn the lights on and you can actually see in the engine bay. So there's a couple more I want to put across the Nismo strut brace. There's some other ones I want to put in front of the intercooler. Everything's tight under here, all the subframe bolts are tight, which we had out when we had the motor out. Obviously I'm just checking for anything loose or what we see that may give us issues. As per usual, everything looks really sweet. The car's nice and tidy underneath, everything's tight. It had a wheel alignment yesterday. As you guys seen, they said he's going to look after the car from now on when it comes to keeping it straight, or if we want more camber, less camber. So that's cool to have around the corner. So yeah, let's I guess we just start on aesthetic things now and clean it up. We're using this oil here. It's by Redline. It's a synthetic heavy shockproof gear oil.